Kicking with Gabriel. Kicking with Gabriel.
Gabe, hurry up! The customers have ordered their food 30 minutes ago. Hurry up, before I fire you!
Why?
Because they have to eat! And we're a top chef restaurant. You're the top chef. Come on, hurry up!
Okay. Okay. Just to pack it up. Okay. Now just to bring it. Here you go, ma'am.
Thank you so much. I can't believe how the food came out so fast.
Here you go.
Oh my god, I cannot wait to feast! Can I start eating now, please?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh my god.